What's the MPA we have here?
It's ultra horizontal, 25 MPa. And we got the polypropylene fibers and the no mesh HPP. That goes in the concrete.
And this dissolves.
That dissolves and it mixes through. Here's the old fiber that we were using, and there's some of that in there too. But basically, by using these, it's given us that structural equivalent to having a wall of wire mesh in there, which is really good for the concrete if it's in the right place. Polypropylene and it's a hard plastic in there. Almost like a toothpick.
Thank you. I just noticed once I got down on my knees that we had a slight hump in the floor, so I pulled out the laser level to just make sure that we had that mark on the concrete. It's 3/16 above our line. I thought it was high then. It was a little high, so now to break it back, we'll float it out again and we'll double check it again. We want it perfect. We have the opportunity. Let's make it right. That looks way better. That's absolutely perfect.